Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum. So right here we are on the Eventbrite site, and what we go to first is manage my events. So when you're on the manage my events page, it takes you to your own slot, and then from there I click on create an event. So you can see you can create it with AI as well. That's an option I haven't tried, but I'm guessing what it does is help you generate everything a little bit faster. So for this portion, I just insert in the basic info. So I just put this in as a sample title because it might be a little bit different. And of course, you can always change it for event to event. And then the organizer, of course, would be Haya Fitness Club. So that would be the same thing that will pop up as you actually set up everything. Let's see. So I was trying to figure that out a little bit, but that's the event title, the organizers, and then it will also give you the option to drop down. So like you see there where I clicked on the Hustle Princess, you can click on other things as well. Now this is showing the type of events it is. So I put camp, trip, or retreat because that was just automatically what popped up from the information I chose to begin with. And then we also had that it was a walk or a trail. So those were the three titles. But the next thing that you can enter is the hashtags. Now the hashtags are kind of what helps the SEO, and that is what is going to get your event seen more just in general, like when people are searching for things. So let's say they're searching for a sister walk or something like that on Google. Maybe you want to click in sister walk. So for example, I did Germantown, and these are just ideas of what you would like to use. You can switch that to whatever it is that you already know or what you already chosen. And even Jamila would likely have some ideas on what she would like as hashtags, but I would try to keep it specific to the Muslims though. So like Philly Muslimas, Philly Muslims, Philly Fitness, Muslim Fitness, Sister Trail Walk, Muslim Sister Fitness, or something along those lines, something that is very searchable, so it's likely to get reach, but also something that is not too long either, and it will only allow up to 10 of those. So you can see I'm trying to like go through them and then also delete some, but yeah, it will only go up to 10 as far as those hashtags, so those tags there. After that, it will have you put in the address of the place too. So like you can see right there, it says tag limit reach. Next thing I do is go to venue. So you see on there it has online event venue and then to be announced. So you can do online events on Eventbrite as well. So let's say you want to advertise something for an event that is just happening online. You can also do that. I've done that before for my own events as well, and it's really cool because you can put it in multiple cities, and that just actually gave me an idea. We're going to start doing that, inshallah. But okay, so this portion right here is the venue, so you can really put whatever your meetup spot is, or you can just always put Haya Fitness Club if you want that to be the original spot because of security reasons. Maybe you only let the sisters know what the actual trail is the day of, then that is all definitely okay. I was having an issue trying to put in an address in Philadelphia, just in general, because I was trying to see what it would pick up. But eventually I ended up sticking to like William Penn, and it ended up going from there. So this is single event or reoccurring event that you see right there. And then you can also edit in the event times that you like. So I had that start maybe on the 9th and go to October 17th. And from there, I will be able to show you how it like spreads out. Okay, so after you go through that, then you'll process over to the next part, and that's going to open up all of this. So on this calendar, you will be able to choose the exact dates that you want. It will be able to give you the times that you want to choose. So for example, this says start date is today, 7 p.m. to 10, so that's a 3-hour event, and it has the occurrence. So you can drop down the menu for the occurrence. do monthly, weekly, daily, and so forth. So I have this as weekly because I know the event will be weekly. But this will be for that Saturday walk. For this time, I just did it exactly how it was. So I was just doing Thursdays all the way down into that October 28th date. But excuse me. I saved that and continued, and then it just goes on to take us to the next page. So this is where I do the event media. Now you'll see right here, I did try to upload a photo, but a photo does not, I tried to upload a video. A video does not go here. You can grab a short from YouTube or something and then post from there, but you cannot go directly and post the video there. So you would be copying the link. So I just went through my camera roll and tried to choose this video. You can see it says it like it's compressing and everything, so I thought it was gonna work. I don't know why I got confused because I did the same exact thing for mine, but yeah, it does not work that way. You have to grab a link and put it in that box where it says video and then URL. So for uploading an image, it needs to be a picture. So I just went back through and I grabbed a sample picture of that Hyatt Trail walk you did, where you did the picture of that signage out there, and that is going to be the example for this. Now I'll also send you the link, inshallah, so you can look at this, but I'll delete it tomorrow, so or whenever you say you have it done by, that way people aren't confused and think I'm actually having an event. So this is just a little spiel of an example of what you can do for a quick summary. Excuse me. It's a Panelon. This will be the first thing that people see. And then after that, you can add a description in the next box. So it's like 140 characters for the summary, but the description could be a lot longer. So you want the summary to be quick and to the point and really catching. So tell them a call to action, like give them something to do immediately at the end of that. Try and grab their attention at the beginning, like sisters, like come on, like, something that is really exciting to them, inshallah. Make sure you mention Hyatt Fitness Club, because we just want people to always think Hyatt Fitness Club, Hyatt Fitness Club, Hyatt Fitness Club, inshallah. So after that, we go over to our next page, and it submits to the ticket page. So for the tickets, you can do any type of tickets. You can do paid, you can do free, and you can also do donation. I feel like that's really cool. I don't know how donation goes in regards to charges to you. Excuse me. But I do think that I know that any tickets, I believe, can go up to 25 tickets for free. So for this one, I just did 15 for free tickets, and they'll give you the on sale dates, the off sale dates. So if you want to stop and have a count the time beforehand, or if you want people to just be able to walk right on up, then you'll also be able to have it in like an hour before the event ends, or hour before the event starts. And then I also just did a little donation on here too. So this is just opening it up. So anyone who wants to donate, they can. It's not necessary. It's a free event, but may Allah reward you for your sadaqah if you do choose to, inshallah. And maybe that is something that you would like to incorporate. Definitely don't feel like it is a must, but I wanted you to just see how this works. So for anything you do have free, if you like to have that donation option available, totally something you can put there, inshallah. So I am just typing out a simple message here. My phone was kind of going slow at this point, so that's how you see like the words are popping up a little bit laggy. But this is visible, so if you see where it says visibility, it says visible to everyone, so that means they can see the tickets. Sometimes you can create tickets that are hidden, and maybe those tickets are just for like people who have a specific code, or there's some type of discount, but the discount is hidden, so that means like they would have to add in that promo code, and it won't show on the screen directly, so it has to be someone who knew about it directly from you, or like someone affiliated with Higher Fitness Club. It's not something that everyone could just see out in the open. It's a special type of discount. Excuse me. I should have brought some water. Okay, so I put 10 tickets here. I also put e-ticket. Will call is for if you have tickets in person, like physical tickets. If you have maybe like a fancy gala or something like that, you have a will call where you just want to give them like a commemorative type of token of being there. But otherwise, everything is always e-tickets for me. Okay, so this takes us to our last little bit where you can click out on that left-hand side. You'll see everything going on. So this is your event, and then it has a breakdown of each individual section. And this is what a preview looks like of it. So when you click preview your event, it's going to open up a new page in your browser, and it's going to show you what everything looks like. So it says multiple dates because we have that set for like every Thursday. I know that's not, correct, but just for example, they'll be able to see your summary right there. They'll be able to see who is running the event. So it'll be Higher Fitness Club. And then you can just go back and hit publish once you're pleased with that. So if you do hit publish and there's anything you want to change later on, no worries, inshallah. You'll be able to go back and make any additions, like edit anything out. Nothing is set in stone with that because people change events and change information all the time. You can even cancel an event, for example, if you need to for one day. So make sure you know that that's not a problem at all with that. Now this page right here is saying marketing. And this is saying marketing because there are a few different things that Eventbrite actually allows you to do on their own website to market. So you can emails, email campaign. You can add the event on Facebook, of course. But paid things will like include that email campaign, and also you could create a what is that thing called? Eventbrite ad. I've created an Eventbrite ad before, and it was okay. It definitely didn't do what Facebook did, so I would do it if I had a lot of money, but I wouldn't do it with a little bit of funds. I would definitely rather show you how to do that Facebook ad as we've planned before. So right here I go to order confirmation. It just shows you like a few different things that you can look at. As you see over there on that side, that left side drop down menu, there's the wait list option on there. And underneath there was something else. Oh, let me go back into there. Let's see what it pops up as. Sorry, waiting for the video to come up to it. It's gonna come. Okay, great. Okay, perfect. So from right here, you can see you have payments and tax, payment options, payment method. You have order options. You have your dashboard that will take you back to everything. You can have your managing attendees, so that way you can see each individual person. That's just a breakdown kind of what the marketing looks like. And then you can always copy that URL right there, or just go directly to Eventbrite when you search for your event yourself. It's always easier, on my opinion, to just go through and look at it as the event owner, because then it will pop up quicker for you. But you see you have paid social ads and all these different things you can do on there. But these are the basics to get your event out there, and this is what's most important, inshallah. But like I said, I will create more things for us. This is just your dashboard that shows like all of the tickets for the future event. So we will be doing this for the vast majority of the events that you have, even the ones that are online. So just the fitness classes as well, inshallah.